If you are new to list building or automation inside of HubSpot, here is a tip that might help you. If you are trying to filter by a property and you're not getting any filter results, that is probably because you're using the friendly name and not the internal value that is held inside of HubSpot. Here is a perfect example of that. I'm trying to build a list of all the Zoom info contacts. The way that I would filter that list is by this original source drill down to value. It says Zoom info by discover.org. So you might think you just copy that text and paste it into the filter, and there you have it. However, you can see this little I that's right next to the text. And what that I represents is information on the internal value, right? So the internal value is the value that's actually held inside the database of the application that corresponds with the text Zoom info by discover.org. So what you actually need to filter on is this 206.398 value in order to pull those Zoom info contacts, right? So anytime you see a property that has this little I next to it, hover over it, it will give you the internal value. That internal value is what you need to pass into your filter in order to get the right results. As you can see, if we jump over here to the list, I've already built out my list. I use the filter on the original source drill down to of 206.398, which corresponds with Zoom info by discover.org, and boom, 7,000 contacts. So that again is a little tip when you're starting to build out your filtering for list building or automation.